The teenage son of dancehall giant Mavado has been charged with murder.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The 16-year-old son of dancehall entertainer Mavado has been charged with the murder of 23-year-old laborer Lorenzo Thomas, O.C. Chulups or Israel, a resident of Cassava Peace Road in St. Andrew. The artist's son was on Friday, June the 15th, also charged with conspiracy to commit murder, arson, shooting with intent, illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. He remains in custody and is being held at the Metcalf Street Juvenile Remand Center. A statement from the Jamaica Constabulary Force also revealed that another suspect remains in custody, but no further details were provided ahead of further investigations. The police are also awaiting the return of Mavado, whose real name is David Brooks, who left the island hours before the gruesome murder of Thomas on Tuesday, June the 5th. Police reports suggest that Thomas was at home early in the morning when around 3:30 a.m. a group of armed men kicked in the door to the house that he occupied and shot him, then chopped him and set his body on fire. Mavado is being sought by the police for questioning in relation to an upsurge in violence in the community since he was shot at on Saturday, June the 2nd, after he reportedly had a physical altercation with an influential member of the Cassava Peace community from where he hails and has traditionally been seen as the most dominant figure there. However, Mavado's attorney, Peter Champini and Tamika Harris, say he is overseas fulfilling prior contractual obligations, but is prepared to meet with the investigators at a mutually convenient time.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.